Newton Abbot today, where I'll be walking, following a route between here and Torquay. And that is the route. Should be the whole of the route. I do not know most of this, so we'll see how we get on from Newton Abbot to Torquay. This is Tucker's Maltings buildings in Newton Abbot. I'll walk down alongside this. This is part of the planned route, and most of it I've never been to further down. We'll see how we get on. Huge tent here. I'm not sure what this is. So it takes us down to the River Tean. Like the end of the Tucker's Maltings here. It's all pretty much in use, so that does look abandoned right at the end. And it is pretty much low tide. Really not much in the river at all. Sure what that is there. It's kind of water tank, a wheel. This is N.Abbot Nature Reserve, so I've never been along here before, and pretty much all of the route now so we get to Torquay I do not know any of it. We'll just be following the prepared route instructions, and it will take us to some interesting little places along the way. So what we'll do is go this side and cross over. It's kind of flexible, and a lot of this route is different routes you can use. I'll cross over to the other side of this brook, and there is the brook. There's the 381. It'll take you down to Exeter, take you to Torquay in that direction. Bits of artwork here. I'm actually inside the island now. This is the route we need to go now, in this corner. Should see the train behind the wall there. Should see the roof. Really quite noisy so far. It will quieten down in the next mile. You see the road there does start to move away now. Should be a place called Yew Tree Walk, somewhere up through here. Do we have a path here? Yeah. I just see some old quarry pump. It looks as though it was pumping the water down into the drain to drain off some of the water. You can kind of see where it would have been, kind of around there. Now this must be, this Yew Tree Walk. It definitely appears on the map. There's no path here, so back out we come. It doesn't exist. Here it is. So basically it turned off too early. So I think we're just coming past Kingskerswell now. You just see lots of new buildings going up, new housing estates. It's called Yew Tree Walk, so I think we have the yew trees to give it its name. It's been in the vicinity of the Transport Cafe here. I really do not know what this is. Cafe and takeaway. That would be the Transport Cafe. Really don't know what this place is. You've still got a floor here, so this was something. I just do not know what. Huge glass sliding doors. Quite a lot of dumping here. You can see into the quarry works there, look. See Newton Abbot in the distance there now with Dartmoor just behind. He looks really close. I think a lot of these quarries here have been filled in and landscaped, which will happen to the one that's still going eventually. I've been climbing now for some distance going up, and you can see pretty much right over Newton Abbot now. You can see some of the clay works in the distance. And we are coming out onto the lane here now. So this must be, there's Coffinswell. It's a lovely little village here, very quiet. And I'm kind of guessing not many people find their way here. Does that phone even work? Actually working. And Dacoom, that's where we need to be heading for. The end of that map there, we go on letter A, we come to here, so we need to go to Dacoom and turn left. And it would all qualify as the local shop. If you don't like eggs or honey, then it's not much use to you.